Basically, once you declare anything with this, that will mention the current function or the current object. So if I am taking any function like, and I am going to use this value inside that, and that will refers to the current object. If I took any function and then I am giving any variable with this dot some full name, then it will mention the current function. So, and also this refers to a global object. In general, this is a global object. Whatever you are declaring with this, that will be declared across the function or the program. Whatever the program it is there, it will be executed. So in function, this refers to a global object. So in function, this okay. And okay. Suppose if I want to call a function also, I can call the function with this keyword. So these are the different things that this will do. This will make like specifies. This will specifies current function. Okay, and also use it to call a function. Okay, and also use it to uh, declares variable as global object. So these are the different things this can do. Okay, these different things this can do. And now if I am going to take one variable, let me take a function. Let me take a function like where, and I am going to get this where some obj function, and okay, obj suppose some employee. So in this employee, I am going to give some information. Let's suppose some ename, and also I have here some and I have like e number. I have some 215 and e salary. I have some 25,000. I have. Okay, so now the thing is salary, e number, e name. So now I can mention a particular value here. And suppose I can mention a particular object. Suppose this is a property and this is a value. So I can able to change this value with some other variable. So let us think. I can mention here like function, and I am going to give here some kind of return. I'm going to return this dot some kind of first name and last name. First name, and I am going to mention some kind of last name. Okay. So now I want to give the first name and last name. First name, I gave here some kind of Ram, and one more thing is last name. I gave him some Rajesh. So I have to give comma. Okay. So now if I am checking this e-name, so this e-name will return this first name and last name, and this first name and last name which will be mentioning this means this object first name. First name is Ram and last name means this object last name. Okay, so I can able to fetch with this value the current object, I mean the current fields. Okay, I can able to mention the current fields. So now let us think like I just have here some uh, a name, ename I have here, and I am going to mention ename from obj employee obj employee dot ename. So if I am checking this value, if I am finding here some see, I'm going to go for your repo, and here it is like on the top script. Okay, now I will be finding the value, but it is not written yet. 1 second. I have to mention this name as a ename as a full function, then only I will get the ename here. Okay, that's a keyword. How we can that is this keyword, how we can call a particular I mean name value of the current object. So let us think these keywords are not here. Okay, let us put these keywords outside. In general, how you will put is like you will put like some where is equal to like this here put, and but this function I am going to mention here this dot first name and this dot last name, and I want to enable this one here. So now if I am finding this defined, undefined and undefined, because the scope of this is like it should be available inside the particular uh, particular object only, then only this keyword will be executed. So if I want to call something externally, then we have to go for where, and I can go for where, and I can use first name and last name. Now you will find Ram and Rajesh. So here that this keyword is useful to get a particular I mean first name and last name within the same object. Okay, within the same object. Okay, so yeah. So suppose if I want to, yeah, that's about this keyword. That's about this keyword, and here also if I am going to see what is there in this keyword. Suppose I will revert for my previous change. Okay, so suppose if I want to check what is there in this at the very first initial point. Okay, console log and x this value. Okay, so in this case I will find like one window function which is having all the different this means here it is like the current window, and in the current window I have all these variables like this cities I have, this array variable I have. These are the different variables we have declared earlier, if you remember. This array cities array function. They are all available here inside my function here on the Morocco general. Okay, so that this will be mentioned the current object or current window object. So with this you can able to access the current this one variables inside your function. Okay. So let us think like I have here some okay. I will make this talk to the side like yeah, fine. Now it is more clear. Yeah. So if I am checking that this value, I will be finding all these different variables. So if I want to get the particular array value or something, so let us think I want to get the array cities. So I can able to access this array cities. Okay. So that cities, if I am giving this and checking, okay. Now this value I can able to find array cities. So likewise, this is a global variable where we can able to fetch the current variables available inside your function or inside your window operator. So likewise, it's like yeah here and here also with this outside you can get this value too. And if I am checking now this currently like define second. OBJ employee. Okay, this is the OBJ employee also available inside the this. So now I can call this OBJ employee. Okay, this employee and I can able to call the first name. I want to call this the first name. In that case, I can able to get this value. Okay. I think there is some there is a problem here. 1 second. Mm, 1 second. Oh, since I gave there OBJ OBJ employee dot last name. Let us think I give this one and cannot able read property of undefined. Okay. So let us think I gave here e name and I'm calling that function. And, okay. So here it is not directly readable, not directly readable. So I will make one thing. It's not I am going for choosing this option. Okay, 1 second. I think it is failing here. Now you will find Ram and Rajesh and with this and the employee and email. Okay. So like that you can able to call a particular employees in name from anywhere in your application. Okay. That is the use of this. This can be called for a global declaration. This can be called for an object alone. Inside the object, if I want to call a particular variable, that also possible with this. And it is used to call a function also. Okay, we are calling a function ename. Okay, that's how this is used. And apart of this, we have one more, that is like let